is up, everybody? It's Fitz Miller and Cinnamon. She's in the garage behind y'all, and Jenna. As you guys can see, well, if I stand up, you can't see me. Alright, I'll have to sit down. So, I got this giant box. These are my coilovers, so let's go ahead and open them. Alright, so I went ahead and just unboxed everything, and this is what I got. Spanner wrenches, coils, springs, I have no idea what those are, to be honest, and stickers, tape measure, installation guide, and just what they're about. So this is what I received in the box. These were $780, something like that, on sale. I think I'm gonna really love these coilovers. They're very popular in the Honda community. They come with 32-way adjustable dampening. Anyways, this was just the little unboxing beginning of the video. Probably gonna install them, but it'll actually be a couple seconds for you guys. So, you guys ready for this? Here we go. So the first part of putting these coilovers in the rear is taking out my trunk liner, and I'm gonna have Jenna help me out with that. So.
You are?
Yeah. I'm gonna see if you can figure it out.
Oh goodness.
So here we go. So we've emptied this trunk, and we're now gonna go around and take out all of these little clips, little button things, and take out all of this carpeting. So there's one there, there's one on that side, there's a couple down here. Where?
This?
That'll have to come out too. But we're gonna go ahead and take out all of the trunk liner. There are two clips over here, one right there, another one up here, and then there's the same on the other side, and also one in the corners. We are taking all the clips out right now, and then we can just pull out the carpet. Okay, so after you've taken out all the clips on this side, you're gonna take out that screw, there's a little thing you just pop up, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. Then you pull that off, and then you just make sure you got all the clips and everything out, and you just pull it out. Lastly, take these little rubber things off, and there you go. So since I have the dampening adjustments on my coilovers, I'm gonna need to reach in there to adjust it whenever I need. So I cut a hole out in the carpet, and then using this rubber piece that was previously over there, it now just pops right in, and that looks really clean. So if your coilovers do have dampening adjustments, I recommend doing that. I honestly just eyeballed it and then use the cap to trace around it to get the smaller circles. So this is gonna work great. Alright, so guess what, everybody? It's raining, and we're about to put the coilovers in. Huge thank you to Dawson for always helping me out with my projects. Let's get right into the video. Step number 1, take the wheel off. Step number 2, we're gonna take off the brake line mount thingamajigger thing. So we're gonna do that. Next step here is popping out the little ABS sensor line, whatever you want to call it. Just pops right out. Next step is to loosen these top head bolts. I don't really know. These are a 13. The sway bar one was 17.
Well, the back of the sway bar was a 17, the front was a 16.
So he just took out this shock, what is it, like supporting thing?
It like squeezes the spindle around the shock body. So.
Okay. Anyways, we took that out. And what size was it? 17 and a adjustable wrench.
Yeah, I think it was two 18s.
Okay, well, 2 18s. The fun part is now here. Yeah, so we're just getting the bottom part of it to pull out. So Dawson got the original strut out. Nice job, man. I'm working on that side, but he got it. A strut spreader tool would be helpful, but honestly, if you have a hammer and a screwdriver, you'll be alright.
This is a cold chisel.
Okay.
It's a little bit fatter. Screwdriver wasn't fat enough to push them apart.
Okay.
So I had to use a chisel.
Just pull one of those out of the railroads and you'll be fine.
Yeah.
I recommend that you set your coilovers before you put them in so you don't have to deal with that later. Coilovers, on average, adjust like 10 millimeters, I think is what it said in the book. Just set it higher than you think you need. So we are setting them right now, then we're gonna toss it in. You just put it right back in its little home right there, and then you're gonna put it. What bolt?
This bolt.
Okay.
Oh, you gotta put your thingy holder back in first.
Okay, put the thingy holder back in first, and then put the thingy tightener on, and then put those back up and button them up. I'm almost done on this side, at least taking it out. Before this can go back in, we have to replace sway bar linkages. Here are the new ones right here. They're much shorter. Even with them all the way out, they're just a lot shorter. So you just take that one right there off, and then button it up to the other side of the coil, and you're all set.
Okay. So we're putting in the linkages from the sway bar to the strut.
I got my, wherever it is, stock strut and spring combo out. I'm going to be doing the same thing on the other side when he's done. Then we're going to put it back in. Anyways, we got the front coilovers in, and now we're going to lower it and see what it looks like. Alright, here we go. I don't know how low it's going to be. Gonna find out.
Dang, dude, that's high as crap. No, just kidding.
By coilovers, set them max low, and then they're higher than the...
Dude, that's weak, bro. That's whack, bro.
So, as you guys just saw, we put them... They're not maxed out. We put them... We thought what was lower. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and max them out now. Obviously, they're gonna settle a little bit, but they're not gonna settle, 2 inches. So, this is scary, to be honest. We're gonna max them out and pray. So, wish us luck. Round 2, we just went max low on both sides. So, here we go. Well,
Wait.
My coilovers are broken. They don't go low at all. So, yeah. Here it is. That's what we get.
I bet once you drive it,
Still has a wheel gap.
And it's probably not rolled out enough,
Damn. So, I'd like to say that I am very disappointed right now. What do you think, Dawson?
I'm equally as disappointed because now we're gonna have to do something else, whether it's take them out or try. I don't know.
So I don't know how long we spent on this. Probably like 3 hours. This is max low right here. I promise. All right, that is 3 collars lined up, and then the bottom of it at the bottom of the collar. This is max low right here. Like, I'm gonna return them. I'm just gonna spend money, and I'm gonna get BCs. That's what I'm gonna do. So, that's just so disappointing, to be honest with y'all. This is max low. Like, yeah, it's lower than stock, but I was hoping it would be like here, max low. We didn't even put in the back yet. I'm glad, because I'm gonna take these out and I'm gonna return them. So, all right. So, yeah, we're actually taking the coilovers out right now, and I'm gonna return them. So, good, it's great, it's amazing. All right. So listen, even if today didn't go as planned, I believe everything happens for a reason. I don't know what that reason is. Maybe it's to get BCs. Maybe it's I don't know. Had a great rest of the night. My girlfriend and I went out to dinner. Mexican food was really good. So, everything's alright. I have an awesome car still. All the suspension is back. It runs awesome. 0 problems with it. It's a great car. I love it. Also, my freaking wheel. Look at this thing. I'm so excited. I ordered the quick release and the hub about a couple days ago, so I really want to get that thing in within the next week or 2. But anyways, you guys make it a great rest of your night, day, morning, whatever it is. And Fitz Miller and Cinnamon, and we will see you in another video.